One thing we need to keep in mind as videographers is that most people watch video on flat screens. Your computer screen is flat, your phone screen is flat, screen on your TV is flat, movie theater screen's flat, unless you're in a 3D theater, still rare. And so we must create the illusion of depth for our audience. How do we do that? Well, first of all, we can use windows and mirrors. Anytime you show a reflection of something, you're adding depth to that something, and that is one kind of three-dimensionality. Furthermore, place objects in the front of the camera to create frames. Anytime our subject is framed by lines such as walls, posts, doorways, tree limbs, trunks, anything that we can frame the subject creates more three-dimensionality. We can create, don't shoot video straight at a wall. First-time videographers often point a camera at a subject standing in front of a wall. That wall is flat behind your subject. Don't shoot at a straight wall. Instead, go from an angle and see how just even that little bit of an angle in this two-dimensional representation is got more three-dimensionality and more depth to it. Create a sense of perspective to make the space look deep. That perspective, in this case, is created by the lines receding away from us, forming the two walls on the outside. And the more we can use these tricks in order to add three-dimensionality to our videos, the more our audience will feel like it is an immersive space that they can get lost in instead of just a flat picture that they are looking at.